Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Cosmac makeup kit, a 13-piece set that's got everything you need for a full glam look, all packed into one amazing makeup box perfect for women and girls who want an affordable, complete beauty solution. Let's dive into this haul and see if it's worth the hype. First up, the packaging. It's sleek, practical, and comes with a sturdy makeup box that keeps everything organized, great for travel or gifting. Starting with the foundation, it's lightweight and creamy with buildable coverage. I blended it out with the included makeup brush, and it evened my skin tone perfectly. No caking here. The primer is smooth and preps my skin, keeping my base flawless all day. A must-have. Next, the loose face powder fixer. It sets everything matte. I dusted it on my T-zone and no shine even after hours. The eyeshadow palette has vibrant mattes and shimmers. I swatched a few and they're pigmented and blendable. A bit powdery, but I created a stunning smoky eye. The green stick is a color corrector. I used it under my eyes and it neutralized redness like magic. The sketch eyeliner is jet black and precise. I drew a wing and it stayed put. Waterproof for sure. The kajal is creamy and bold. I lined my waterline and no smudging all day. The highlighter gives a radiant glow. I dabbed it on my cheekbones and it's gorgeous without being too much. The false eyelashes add drama, easy to apply and reusable. Finally, the lipstick, a bold shade that's creamy and long-lasting, paired perfectly with the look. This kit is versatile, skin-friendly, and a steal for the price. Not luxury, but amazing value. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video with a full look. If you're loving this hit, that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.